All right, we're climbing out of here. There's a lot of mess down on the road here. You can see they got a new hill put in. Nice job. And then we got a tree cut down supposedly. Let's see what they did with this son of a bitch. I don't see it. It's gone. Oh, it's in the woods. Yeah, I don't care about that. That's no good. Alright. Well, Thursday at 4:12, and there's still no power in downtown Chestertown. Oh, the top says a generator, I heard. Well, the good news is here is that doesn't matter because there's no traffic lights. So who cares? All right, we're coming upon the site of the tornado touchdown, about 4 miles south of Chestertown. Look at that mess. Wow. Holy shit. What happened up here? This road got blasted hard too, so the tornado came through here, came right down through here. Oh shit. Wow, look at this mess. This is where it came. This is the path right here. Look at that. Oh man. Right down this road this sucker came. There's where it went through, right there. Look at this. This is the fucking path it made. Not good. Somebody's house is in there too. Yikes. Looks like their house is okay, hopefully. This is the path it made. Wow. Yikes. People are lucky, man. Look at it, you can see the actual path it took. Interesting. Oh, this is the real deal. A straight line right down through there. What it does to these trees, man. Look at that. Damn. What the size of that root ball. And wasn't prejudiced towards any particular type of tree. Oh, these wires are a mess. Look at that. National Weather Service was here and they officially declared it a tornado, which be hard to argue with. Well, now we're back out on Route 9. That's a little side road off of Route 9. Here about 4 miles south of Chestertown. Well, here's some more right here. Here's where we continue across that road we just went down to here. Look at that. There's somebody's house down in there. There's a house down in there. That's on the top of that house. Not bad, I don't think, though. You can see all the mess in there. That's cool. Wow. I just tucked everything over the bank. All right. Got somebody behind me who's rubbernecking like I am. Come on. Well, looks like we got more of a mess going on here. What the fuck's... What do we got here? Just a lot of a mess, huh? Wow. Right across the north way that went. Look at that. Ah, there's wires down up here. I'm not messing with those. I don't want to have to go all the way back down there, though. That sucks. Yikes. Well, no one will know. That's what happens when you're on a little motorcycle. You can sneak around. Look at that mess. Holy cow. Yep, big mess here. Man, well, I got this whole road completely blocked off. And I'm on it like a knucklehead. Here's exit 24. Alright, we're not following a car through here. Nope, definitely not.